Pry open the casing along to the arrow direction. Take down the little cover. After takedown, demonstrate the disassembling again. Take down the original casing red parts. Install them in the same place as the G349 dashcam. Peel off the lens protective film. Now we remove the original rain sensor plug. Use a pry tool to press the wire clip upwards and pull out the original car plug. Take out the plug-and-play cable from the box. Insert it into the original car slot we just emptied. Plug the original car wire to the plug-and-play cable slot. Find the rear cam connection cable. According to the label shown in the video, connect the rear cam extension cable. Now connect the dashcam host wire to the plug-and-play cable's final end. Sort out and hide the wire in the gap. Push the dashcam along the arrow direction. Then insert the small cover back and firm it completely. Adjust the rear view mirror. The front dashcam was installed. Start the car. Check whether the dashcam indicator light flashing or not. The blue light on means the dashcam working good. Peel off the 3mm adhesive on the rear view camera. Also, remove the lens protective film. It can be installed in the middle of the rear windshield. Routing the wires. Connect the extension wire and the rear cam wire.